Good morning. Good morning, guys. Just opening this thing because that, it feels nice when everything is open and you can see what's going on. And well, I did already made yesterday the pancake, so I'm gonna take pancake and I'm gonna make egg. Hey, look how many pancakes I made yesterday. It's a lot. I don't know, I don't have any more bag, that's why. I don't have a Ziploc bag here. I think I have one in the closet, in the drawer here, somewhere that I can put this in the freezer. We have Ziploc, and a small one, so which is good. I can separate it and put it in the freezer. I really like this drawer, guys. It's like a lot of storage in this alone. But you have to twist this. Yeah, it's kinda neat. People love this extra crunchy skippy. And we have the strawberry, which is, I don't really eat all this. My husband eat it. Well, I still have this, guys. Look, I still have this. I wanna do it again. And you know what? I'm gonna use one of this for my coffee. Look at that. Very pretty. This is what I have, guys. This is my breakfast. Let's eat. It's 3 small pancakes and this is an egg. And yeah, I'm still watching the same show. I don't know what's the title. I forgot. What's a good one. And coffee. And straw. I'm gonna use this straw. Look at that. It's so weird. Hi guys, I'm just watching Inday. Oh my god, she's so funny. She's very hilarious. She's doing this 3rd monthsary, but oh my god, I can't stop laughing. Plus her editing is really good. She really did a good job with her editing. Plus the pink, it really looks good on you, Inday. Oh my god, Inday. Can you just wear all white, no pink? The pink really looks good on you. Everything. Lipstick, maybe you put pink hair, and pink hair, and pink hair. Maybe you can put a hair color pink in your, try it. You know the fake hair color in Inday, try it. It's gonna be fun. Oh my god, I love watching your video. But anyway, Inday, thank you so much. I'm still watching anyway, look. She's still doing it here. Then.
Ng mga lapses tayo. Gonna apologize sa mga hindi ko po mababanggit sa shoutout na to dahil yung babanggitin ko lang po talaga isa-isa is yung mga nag-iwan po ng comment dun sa huling video ko na in-upload. Ngayon po, meron naman po akong nakaligtaan. Please, sorry po. Tao lang po talaga.
Shoutout to Inday Gudiday ng Bisaya man kaday, no? Okay, I'm here in the second floor, guys. I'm gonna sort these boxes. Separate my stuff because I mix everything. My stuff and Tommy's stuff and her stuff and my stuff and his stuff. So I'm just gonna I threw the socks under. Anyway, I'm here. That's what I'm gonna do. Sort the thing and sort the tongue. My husband said, oh, all your stuff in the 2-bedroom. I don't have no closet. Oh my god, my husband is so drama. Like, oh, the 2 bedrooms, there's like 2 closets every bedrooms, and then you're using it all. Look, I don't even use it all. Look, I don't even hang my stuff over here. It's his stuff. He said that I'm using it because in the box it's mine. I said, no, I don't use the closet. Oh my goodness. You're not even here yet. You're not even staying here. So, and we need some more, what do you call that? Hanger. Because we don't have hanger. Walang hanger, guys. Guys, pasensya na kayo guys if mag-English ako palagi, ha? Gusto ko talaga tong English ko. Parang walang baliwalang, wala dito, wala doon. Ano lang kasi bata. Ang Tagalog ko kasi, ba't ikaw eh? So, meron pa ba akong hanger dito? So, marami pa akong dapat magkukuha. Dapat bumili pa kami ng hanger kasi wala ng hanger si Akits. Tapos na, bumibili kami ng 3 dosina. Hindi pa rin. So, ito guys, anuhin ko lang to. Hold on. Tapusin ko lang to. Bakit kasi? So, tapusin ko lang to guys. I will see you later. I think I probably put the thing over here. Go back to the living room because it's hot now in here. The weather just keep changing, guys. Before it's freezing cold, like last week it's cold. The weather now, it's like this week it's kind of really like 80s, so it's hot. Look, I look all Tommy's jacket, right? In the Tommy's winter coat. You know what I found? Of course, it's that money, coins, and stuff like that he's collecting. And of course, it's not just that, guys. It's always there is papers, paper towel. Hi, nagre-review lang ako ng edit ko last night. I edit, but it's done editing, but I'm reviewing. I always do review and put the kid live it here, Gavin. It's Sammy's birthday. And that's garbage. And also, you know, when I'm after editing, I have to relook, and that's how I add like a, how do you call that, a sound effect and stuff like that. And cook these shrimp before the shrimp turn darky. I love this kind of shrimp. There is 2 different kinds. There is the white shrimp and the dark brown shrimp. Shrimp? It's not shrimp, guys. It's a freaking mushroom. I don't know why I said shrimp. Mushroom. White shrimp and the dark brown. It's the, you know, the one that baby Bella, it's a Bella mushrooms. I love that. It's yummers. But I think I'm gonna let the ear in here because no ear getting here in this house. So I'm gonna put it in. It's really nice outside. And this one too. The window's open, the one window. And I'm gonna just keep cooking this, cutting stuff, guys. I miss my kid, guys. Every time I do that, because that's how I sing. My kitty. Walang katapusang bangos. Also, Vicky, I know I'm gonna eat this now. If you come here, hurry up because you know what, I'm gonna eat it. And I turned the wind on because I'm making some How do you call this mushroom? It's really good. I'll open this because it's nice when okay. Open this just like that, a little bit, and I will put this down. Look at the outside, guys. So nice. The windows open in the kitchen and open over there in the dining room, so the wind can just like flow like that. You know what I mean? This is dried already. This is good. I like it so dry and nice. Very dry now. I like it. I put the thing already. Some winter stuff, which is the usual we are wearing all the time. I don't know if there's light. They didn't put light in here. There's no light on top. Top is, oh no, it's no need because there's light. Let me see if I can see if I turn the light on. It's fine. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Can you see that? I have to close the room. Oh my god, they're traveling already over there. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my god, I have to kill this, guys. This is too much. The ladybug in this house is crazy. I think all the bugs in this weather is going to win. Look. Some of them are died already by spring. Look at it. I don't really have a bug killer. This is what I've been trying to show you. That I saw the bug lined up crazy. So this is this for there's no light, and I just put mostly Tommy, and I put my 2 winter coat. This hold on. This pink and the black one, and I just washed this stuff. Tommy's scarf, and there's 2 over there I put. And this is what he liked to wear with the times, like dressy coat. It's a leather, and he liked to wear this as well. And this one is he liked to wear this when it's like snowy, very snowy, and he's plowing like clearing up the thing. Hi guys, I am done making the chayote. It's done. It's right here, and there is more right here. Yeah, so the battery also is like blinking, blink, blink, blinking. I really have to order the new battery, guys, because another battery, a spare of battery, because it's just low bat all the time. I killed a lot of LADiES today. What? Oh my god, those LADiES are annoying. Like, oh, I get so mad. Anyway, I don't really hit ladybug, but when they're like filed up over there, oh my god, it's ridiculous. You know what I like this chayote? They don't overcook it. It's crunchy. When it's crunchy, it's fun to eat, and it's really tasty because it's kind of watery. The chayote it's a kind of fruit that is like watery, like, you know, watermelon, chayote. The other one is fruit, and this one is a vegetable, like, you know, but don't overcook it, it's gonna be mushy. Hi guys, I have a mask on. I have this for like hours already. I think 2 hours already. Yeah, I'm just like yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna wash it off now anyway, so yeah, I'm ready to just lie down. I've been talking to my sister for a while, and yeah, I've been walking around in the room because I kind of have a pain. Why this one is keep going back here? My goodness, this freaking this house. It smells like ginisang. The house smells like ginisang. It smells like sauteed chayote with chicken. That's how it smells. This is what I use, guys, for the mask. I had this a while ago. You know, it's really good. I get this because of Michelle Fan. She uses it. I'm gonna shut the light off, guys. That means it's gonna be dark in here. So I don't know if you can still see me, but yeah, you can still see me. But anyway, guys, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to bed. I'm going to the floor. Anyway, guys, good night, and I will see you in my next vlog. I was worried about my husband. He's been working crazy day today, and he's alone working in the place, and yeah, and he's so tired, and I'm just like worried, and I feel bad for him though. I will wait his call, and thank you guys so much for watching as always. Oh, anyway, shout out to Junalyn Villanueva. Hi Junalyn, sorry it's late. Shout out. It's anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hi Junalyn, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and to all of you who watches my vlog, and I really do appreciate it. Hello guys, I know this is a different day. I'm gonna do a shout out to the people that want to be a shout out. You want to be in my vlog, in my shout out. Okay, Razel is Skin. Razel is Skin, or Razel is Skin. Okay, and Lynn, the girlfriend of, hold on, shout out to Lynn, Lynn, the girlfriend of Dwayne George. Lynn is from, she says, can you please give a shout out to my hardworking girlfriend from Tacloban City. Her name is Lynn. Yeah, hi Lynn from Tacloban. I almost go to Tacloban when I was in Cebu. When I was working, they trained me for like spa thing. They trained me for doing spa, and they want to send me to Tacloban. And then I said, no, I don't want to go there. Thank you for training me. Okay, I never go to Tacloban because it's far, you know. I was new in Cebu, and then they want to put me to Tacloban, and I don't have any relatives or anything, so my two aunts is living in Cebu, and I don't have nobody in Tacloban, so that's why. Hi to everyone. I'm gonna do a shout out to the people who comment, and a new subscriber also to my channel. Hearty Cindy, hi, and to Suburban Mama 16 Vlog, hi, thank you for the comments, and thank you for subscribing. And Itilicious and Midilyn Villis, and Jennifer Pires, hi Jennifer Pires, hi. Norman Fulcher, hi. Do Blog, okay, hi Do Blog, because this is the thing about me, guys. I don't know, it's gonna be in my other vlog, that if you guys subscribe on my channel, I really appreciate it to you all, guys, but before I subscribe into your channel, I wait for a few days before. This is I always do. I always wait for a few days to check my subscription, because it doesn't add on into my subscription in that day, in that time that you subscribe my channel. And I do that because there's a lot of people over there that want to be telling me that they subscribe on my channel, and of course I subscribe back, and and I don't like people lie. They lie that, you know, just to get subscription, just to get some people subscribe your channel. I wait for like 3 to 4 days before I subscribe your channel. I'm just saying that I'm really appreciate that some of you guys leave a message, you're a subscriber, and please do subscribe. I really appreciate it, but I will subscribe you 3 to 4 days later, because then I can see that you subscribe on my channel, and you are not like, you know, like I subscribe and you really didn't, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot now in YouTube, like, oh, I don't even, you know, this is like, oh, good, very good, it's a good channel, it's perfect, la 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 la. It's a lie, because you know what, my channel is not perfect. So anyway, guys, bye. If you notice, I will put a few comments from the previous vlog. I put comments under it. I don't put it in the end and just like scattered it. 3 or 4 or 5 comments, I will display it in my videos under here. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! If you like the video, please do thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't yet.